Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at A&L RV Sales right here in Jackson, Tennessee. Okay, we have not seen one of these, so we're going to take a look at this one. It is actually a 2025 Travel Lite Rove Lite, model number 14FS. So let's get started. The length on this Rove Lite is 16 feet 6 inches. The dry weight is 2,014 with a hitch weight of 128. With a GVWR of 2,500 pounds.
Yes, you heard those numbers correctly. We will show you something once we get on the inside, but this is definitely designed to be towed by smaller trucks, minivans. Some crossovers can actually pull this. So, hey, if you just really want to camp, but you really don't want to buy a truck, come look at one of these. I'm also going to point out their little sticker they got there. It says 25s or so last year, save a wagon load. So you're probably going to get a really good deal on this 25 model.
And we saw a little video on how these are made. It's actually really cool.
They are really cool. This, if you're worried about roof seams, don't be worried about this one because it starts right here at the front and it goes all the way to the back. There is no seam on top. That is one solid piece.
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about that. Obviously, this being so small, you are going to have a manual tongue jack. If you really want to add an electric, you can do that. Got a space right there for a single propane tank, and your battery will go right back there behind it. Now, obviously, no slides. Super easy.
Tankless water heater.
But you do have a tankless water heater.
Mm-hmm.
It is pre-wired for solar if you want to do that. Again, single axle, super quick setup. Just
wow.
Back it in and you're ready to go. It is going to give you an outside shower. Your dump area is going to be right down there, and your pull handle is right there at it. And there's the other one. Now looking at the back of it. Not going to have a ladder on this one. I'm not sure if these are walkable because they're as small as they are. But again, one piece from top to bottom, front to back. You can't beat that. Does have a spare back here at the back. Now your awning is going to be about 9 feet.
Yeah.
I think that's what we...
Little outside, little light.
Yeah, right there. I kind of wish this was sitting out by itself so you could see the whole thing because it's kind of cute.
Little bit of storage.
And you're going to have a little bit of storage, but now this is a 16-foot camper, so I mean, hey. It does have some really cool graphics. It's got a tree on it right there.
I think your car could pull this.
I'm not
your
sure.
Chevy Trax.
I don't know if I could or not, but probably pretty close. And in case I forgot, there's the propane quick connect. So hey, let's go in. Let me just stand right here and I'll just pan around. Now it's little, so this is going to be absolutely perfect for a single person or a couple who really likes each other.
I like this little setup though.
Yeah, it is really neat. So let's go ahead and start right back here at the back. Storage all the way across there, so I guess you could use this prep area, coffee bar, because all of your controls, you do have some plug-ins right there. I'm just going to kind of scan over that right there. But this is...
They don't have a sale price, so...
No, it doesn't have a sale price, but it's a 25 model, so they'll definitely work with you.
Yeah.
But here's where it's telling you that you can actually tow this. Anything that's got a 3,500 tow rating, you should be good to go. Again, cute little window right here at the back. You turn around here. Now in the kitchen area, like I said, this is kind of all open. It's just one space. You've got a 2-burner cooktop. You have got some space underneath. You do have a decent sized sink in this, and this is going to give you a little bit of like a window unit for your air conditioning.
Hey.
Yeah, you do have a fridge.
And a little bitty.
It's got an itty bitty freezer part. You could get ice cream bars in there.
Ooh, that'd be all right.
This is going to be your heater down here.
Oops.
Yeah, so it's got a little bungee to actually keep the door closed. Now let me show you the. I love that they did not put a dinette in this. I love that they did this so you can sit and look out the window while you're eating or drinking your coffee. Now the bed's going to be at the front. And we're going to
54 by, looks like 74.
That's going to be about a full size.
Yeah.
About a full size bed. So, yeah, if you're really tall, you might not do so well. But like I said, for singles, hey, people who like to go hunting, fishing, need somewhere to stay overnight.
Again, I'm looking at all their. These are the sides are like Asdale.
Yeah.
But they have a aluminum frame around it.
Yeah. Yeah, we were listening.
Oh,
on
that's
it,
pretty good.
and there's no wood in the walls.
No.
So you don't have to worry about about water damaging any wood. But yeah, again, as you can see, you've got one solid piece in here.
Yeah.
So I mean, super nice. You got windows, got storage up here.
Oh my goodness.
Now it's a tiny little camper, and I'm hoping we don't tilt it over if we both get back here at the back.
Well, I feel like a little crap little rat, but I'm in here.
It is going to have a wet bath. So.
Okay. You do that, you're going to have to sit down.
Yeah. So, well, you can get rinsed off. They give you a shower curtain.
You got a vent fan.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, so hey, if you're too far from the back house, you do have options.
Okay.
All right. Well, there wasn't a whole lot here to show you, but we thought you might like something different.
I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll go ahead and after we close this out, they've got two more sitting here, and we'll just kind of walk through.
We'll just
Just kind of walk through and look at them there at the end. That way you can see kind of what they've got.
Right.
All right, everybody. If you like these little travel lights, give A&L a call and see how much they want to. Basically, just say, hey, here they are.
Yeah, like I said, these are 25 models, so they'll be glad to talk to you.
All right, everybody. If you just found our channel, go ahead and give us a subscribe, follow along with us, and stick around here at the end, and we'll show you these other two. Thanks, everybody.